Hi there. I was inspired by this creator beating their phone case and wanted to decorate my own, but with fishies. I have some leftover beads from another project, and I bought these little fish charms and bubble charms from Amazon. I only had white E6000, which I didn't think would look good with the pond theme, so I used super glue instead, which led to problem number 2. It was causing the beads to stick to everything, making it hard to place on the case. I tried to use some tweezers, which didn't really work out, and I ended up just dumping the beads on. Also, this stuff was really burning my eyes. And then there was problem number 3. I ran out of blue beads. I thought I had enough to finish the project, but I ended up using some purple beads that I had left over, and those didn't quite match. So I scrapped the whole thing and decided to start over. Round 2. Going with the night sky theme. We're sticking with blue and purple beads with a touch of white for the moon and the stars. I also learned my lesson and ran to Home Depot to buy some clear glue. This time, everything's turning out much better. After spending an hour gluing beads to my phone case, this is how it turned out. Which do you think came out better? The pond or the night sky? Alright, see ya!